Corona.
Corona. Corona.
Corona disease or COVID-19 is an infectious disease caused by newly discovered coronavirus. Most people infected with coronavirus 19 will experience mild to moderate respiratory illness and recover without requiring special treatment.
During the lockdown period, 2 persons went out the streets. The health officer said,
It is too dangerous to go out. Please go home.
The one man obeyed while the other man ignored the health officer's advice. The man went out straight the road without knowing that he was already infected by the coronavirus disease. Then he went straight home. When he arrived, he was greeted by his family.
How's your work, honey? Get inside, take off your shoes, don't bring your stuff inside, and wash yourself.
Daddy, give us a hug.
after a few days, the infected person starts showing symptoms. My cough is getting worse.
We better go to the hospital right now and consult a doctor.
They went to the nearest hospital. He was then checked by the doctor and the doctor said,
"You are COVID positive, sir, and you need to be quarantined for a couple of months."
He underwent treatment and has been in quarantine for a couple of months. After recovery, he went home to his family.
Hey, Daddy, thank God you're now okay. We miss you.